So let's try example number 2. The same rules, multiply the coefficients and then combine the variables. So here we have 4x squared and negative x to the power of 5. So always remember that when you multiply its coefficient, you have to bring the signs too. Don't just multiply 4 and 2, but you have to bring the sign of negative 2. Okay, so let's do step 1. Oh, wait. So step 1, multiply its coefficient, the numbers. So this is going to be 4 multiplied by negative 2. The answer is, let's equal. The answer is negative 8, correct? And now for step 2, combine its variables. In our first example, the bases are different. That's we have x, y, and z. But here in this example, we have the same basis. We have the same variable, which is x, right? So to combine the variables, you have to copy the variable and then add its power. So it will look like this. We have x squared, so it's going to be x squared multiplied by x to the power of 5, something like that, right? So it will be x, copy the base, which is x, and then add the powers or the exponents. So it is going to be 2 plus 5. So it will become x. 2 plus 5 is 7. So x to the power of 7. So our final answer now is 8, negative 8, and then x to the power of 7. Negative 8x raised to the power of 7. Okay, and that's your final answer. Easy. Okay, let's go to example number 3. Example number 3. Okay, let's say 6m cubed, and then n squared, and 2m squared, and to the power of 4. Okay, so go back to first step. First step is add the coefficients. So we'll have x, multiply its coefficient, sorry. So 6, we got here from 6, and then 2. 6 multiplied by 2, it will be 12. And then next is combine the exponents. Since they have the same basis, m, also m, n, and also n. So we can just have copy. We will just have to copy the bases and add the powers. So we have m, let's start with m. M cubed multiplied by m squared. So that will be m, 3 plus 2. And there will be m raised to the power of 5. Now let's go to n. N squared multiplied by n raised to the power of 4. So that will be n, 2 plus 4. It will become n raised to the power of 6. Okay? So your final answer now is 12. We got this from here. 12. And just copy the variables m raised to the power of 5 and then n raised to the power of 6. That's your final answer. Easy? Okay. Now I will give you classwork, and then you're going to answer it in the Google Classroom. and it will due on Wednesday midnight. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and if you have questions you can email me. Okay, don't forget there are just 2 rules: multiply the coefficients and then combine the variables. Don't forget that if it doesn't have the same base, like the same letter, let's say XYZ, you cannot combine them. So instead of combining, just copy them. But if they have the same base, X, X, or Y, Y, so you can just copy the base and then add the powers like this one. And for example, number 3, we have also M and N. So you just have to combine M with M. You cannot combine M with N. It's MM and then NN, the same base. Okay, and then just add the powers and then your final answer. Okay, guys, thank you so much and have a great day ahead. Bye. See you.